Let's go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be something different. It is going to be me water dyeing a wig I recently bought. This wig is a wig from Amazon. I think it's called Trust Feel or 10 Trust Feels, something like that. I will have it in the description below. This wig was definitely cheap, 100% Brazilian hair. It has not been, it's non-processed, so it hasn't been processed with chemicals or anything of that nature. I got it in 613 blonde, and I wanted to try out different hair dyes. I will be doing this venture with short bobs for the rest of this summer. So I wanted to try a hair color, and I wanted to try red because not too long ago I did try red and it just didn't come out right. So I wanted to give a new start, a do-over. So this is what this is. I got this in 8 inches, as you saw. This wig also came with eyelashes, which I think is pretty dope because I am starting to do my eyelash for every look that I do now. I think it's pretty cool. If it's not the magnetic, it'll be the glue. I'm learning, y'all. So as you can see, I'm taking all the stuff out of the wig. The wig does come with combs. It comes with 4 combs, 2 at the top and 2 at the nape with adjustable straps. I'm just taking all the stuff off, and you're gonna later see that I got 4 colors. The colors that I got was, I got 2 crimson reds. I got 1 berry cherry hair color dye, and then the other one is a like a step down from the crimson red, so it looks like a orangey red. So yeah, as you can see, I'm showing you the combs. So I'm gonna let you know that when I got this hair dye, y'all, this hair dye was really cheap. I got it from the beauty supply store. It's the Adore hair brand, and I felt like, you know, I didn't want to buy any box dye because I just feel like it won't have the same effect. Oh, so this is called Aviator. So there's 2 Aviators, and then there's 2 Adores. So I got 1 Adore in 60 and another in I believe, what was it? I don't know, 58, something like that. So the water is not cold. It is warm. It's hot, but it's warm. So I had to run some more hot water underneath the sink. I didn't boil this water. I noticed a lot of girls, some girls boil the water, some girls don't. I just chose not to. I use hot water straight from the sink. As you can see, I'm putting the Aviator Crimson Red. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I didn't think that the red was going to be the red that it was when I dyed this hair. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna post a picture in here of the exact style hair color I was trying to go for. And this was not it. This wasn't it. I'm just being honest. This was definitely not it, because for the simple reason, you guys, the crimson red, I don't know if you ever seen the movie Crimson, I think it's called Crimson Peak. That red that flows, that blood red that flows through that movie, it's like a orangey red, like fake blood orangey red. That's what this looked like, y'all. And I wouldn't even say it was a cherry red, okay? It just, I messed up. I mixed the crimson with that 60 and then a hint of the, I believe, 58 of the Adore. And that was kind of a bad combo, because when it all dried, y'all, it looked like that. Y'all remember that Annie wig that they used to give the kids that was like, it looked like the Ronald McDonald wig, but it was orange. That's what this looked like. So you're going to see as I keep adding colors. I tried to tone it down, even looking at it. That ain't work. So what I end up having to do, and I'm gonna let you know now, I had to just start over. I had to do the hot water method, and then I had to go ahead and just use all of the wild cherry to tone down this color. So you're about to see in a minute. So after, okay, it's 69. Okay, I've been saying it wrong. It's 69 and they adore that crimson. Okay, so as you see here, I am now rinsing and I'm about to deep condition. I don't ever shampoo this hair out. I just deep condition the hair because I found that's what works best. I'm using this pink conditioner that I found in the beauty supply store that I've been using on my hair that is really good with softening the hair and, you know, keeping the hair's natural luster, bounce, and shine. Y'all, this pink stuff worked good on both human hair and your natural hair. So this is what I'm using. I'm just rinsing out the wig. And as you can see, y'all are definitely seeing that crimson red. Like you're seeing that adore me, not adore me, that adore 60, volume 60, and that crimson red clash together. You don't even see a hint of that cherry because I definitely don't. So that's the reason why I had to, you know, do it again, start over again and just dye the hair completely in the cherry red. Okay, as you can see, after doing it the second time around, you can see the hair has died down. I used the wild cherry, deep cherry, and it's not as bright as it was. I wish I could show y'all a picture or video before I actually redid the dyeing process so that you can see that this hair was, y'all, it was like a bright orange. It was a really bright orangey red. That's the way it looked. So I'm so glad that I was able to tone it down, and I am gonna go and do it a third time because I'm really going for that wild cherry look, just not the what do you call it? The color of this was the same color of the my scissors, the end of my scissors, the red part. So as you can see, I've done my makeup and I'm just sitting here, just, you know, got to be glue spraying my lace wig down. And I'm just using my blow dryer, as you know, you always do in these times. I will say this, I'm sorry, the lace on this wig is very soft. So be real careful. It's soft. And it's a little transparent, but one thing I will tell you, you're going to need to put foundation or a what do they call it? A spray, a lace tint spray on your wig to get a natural look, a natural lace look, because that is not what I got when I kind of even put the foundation on. I should have bleached the knots, which I'm definitely going to do. I'm going to go back and I'm going to bleach the knots. I just was in a hurry to do so much and so many videos. I forgot to bleach the knots, but hey, well, I can still do it. So now I'm just going to cut off the lace after I've I used the Got2b glue spray to lay down my wig. I'm just going to cut off the lace and I'm going to finish styling this wig. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna do a wig review in the next video about this wig, so you'll know everything you need to know. But for now, I'm just cutting off the lace off this wig, and I'm just gonna continue styling. As you can see, I didn't kind of style this wig how I really wanted to, because y'all, this is a lot of work for a little bob wig. I'm gonna tell you that I do not like the way that they cut the back, so I did have to go back and correct the back because it seemed a little rushed. So one thing about these bob wigs, they do seem a little rushed when they cut. And I do not like the way that in the front, when I lay the hair forward, some of the hair is short in the front, and it looked like long bangs. I don't know, to me, it just, stuff like that always look like long bangs. So what I'm going to do just off camera is I'm going to wow you, and I'm going to fix this wig up the best way I know how. But right now I'm just showing you basically what I normally do after prepping my wigs, which is just cutting off the lace, styling, and just going on with my day. Also, this wig does have baby hairs, if you wanted to know. Definitely has baby hairs. Also, side note, this wig does come with a lot of lace. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, so it does come with a lot of lace if you wanted to know that. So I didn't get to have a video of what the final look looked like. Like I said, I was rushing, I had a lot of errands to run, so what I'm going to leave you with is a bomb picture of the aftermath. So I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. If you would, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell button for future content. If you haven't already, follow me on all my social medias, especially my IG at Tamika_Moscato. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.